fine, casual day as usual. I was walking on the footpath, and then suddenly my eyes caught on a random heap of clothes, which was rotting on the side of the road. Well, I did notice it, but I chose to ignore it. Later on, I reached home, switched on the TV, relaxed, and I started going through the channels. And then I clicked on a channel which at that time was broadcasting a documentary on plastic. Coincidentally. And coincidentally, why you may ask? And it is because the same day I realized that the same heap of clothes which was rotting on the side of the road was not plastic either, but was more or less affecting our environment. I mean, look at the odds. Plastic can't decompose, and so can't a random heap of clothes. Once you're done with the plastic bag, you just throw it away. And once your clothes turn too old, or let's just say too out of fashion, you throw it away as well. And this made me raise up a question. And I'm going to ask you all the same question as well. Have you ever paused to wonder what's the real cost of your favorite outfit? Even I used to think about fashion as something fun and fascinating, which is completely harmless. Fun and fascinating, of course. We'll be working on the harmless part. From skinny jeans to baggy pants, from crop tops to oversized flannels. I have worn all of them just to fit in these trends. But later on, I started noticing and realized something. And it was that this fast fashion isn't just any harmless trend. It's in fact one of the biggest blunders of our generation. Now, let's talk fast fashion. Think with me for a second. How often do you rush yourself in fitting in these trends and buying new clothes just to keep up with others? Well, if you all did in fact, you're not alone. Even I have been there as well. It feels so irresistible, doesn't it? Every time when we see an influencer post themselves with new clothes on, or every time when we see models modeling it, we just click, add to cart, and just move on. Basically, the same speed my memory clicks delete right after the test. But yet, it feels so easy, right? So tempting. But there's the thing that I've realized now, and it is that behind all of these purchases, there's something we don't see. Now, let me paint the picture for you. I once bought this super cute top. Thought I was saving money, but plot twist. It's been chilling in the back of my cupboard longer than my SSD notes. And till date, I regret making that decision. And you all may ask, why? Why is that? And it is because later on, I came across a fact that that single t-shirt, in fact, took approximately 700 gallons of water to produce. 700 gallons. Like, brother, that is 3 years of hydration. Basically, I sacrificed someone's water supply just so my hanger could look stylish. And yet still we wonder, after so many tries, why can't we save our resources? Whereas we waste these precious resources for something so unnecessary. But that's not the only thing which is concerning. Let me ask you a question. Where do you think these tops or outfits would have been made? Of course, not in some high-tech fancy factory, right? It is most probably in a crowded unit wherein women and even children work in unsafe hours and conditions and to just earn few rupees. I've never seen or felt it though, but whatever was happening, it was real. Yet, it doesn't stop only there. The part which shook me even more is that every year, over 92 million tons of textile waste ends up in our landfills. Basically, Earth is trying to live in a not a hot mess closet, but we keep turning it into a thrift shop dumpster. Well, subsequently I started thinking, how many of my own clothes have I thrown away? That was just wearing it for once. And then I realized I'm part of this problem as well. So you all might be thinking that this just ends here, but oh no, it doesn't. Have you all ever thought about how it affects our environment though? It's paying the heaviest of price. The fashion industries contribute to about 10% of global carbon emissions. The dyes pollute our rivers. Fabrics like polyester shed microplastics, which in the end up in our food, water, and even inside our bodies. And that too, we are normalizing this. From our resources to our planet getting affected, this finally rounds up to us. Fast fashion not only hurts our planet, but also hurts us emotionally too. And I started noticing it by myself. And it might be the time for you all to notice this too. When I always saw everyone with the latest trend, it made me feel the fear of missing out, or FOMO as we say in short. It makes you feel that if you don't keep up with these trends, you're not enough. And in fact, studies do show that 68% of the teenagers shop online at least once a month, and that too mostly from fast fashion brands. And in the end, what did it lead to? Constant pressure, anxiety, low self esteem, and even depression. And I know how it feels like because I have experienced this too. But then I realized that just sitting and stressing about this issue won't do any good. I had to take some action. So I started buying less unnecessary outfits. And later I thought, why not join TEDx and speak up on this issue? So with me, I can also help many more other people to be aware of this issue and help in contributing to making our environment way much more sustainable. And of course, you all might be thinking, what can just one person possibly do? Well, even I thought the same. Even I thought, what could I possibly do? How can I make an impact? Well, then I realized with a little spirit and determination from my side would really make an impact. All I had to do is start. I started buying less. Whenever I go to buy any new outfit, I first ask myself, do I really need it? Thrift, repair, reuse. Whenever I find any random cloth laying down, I first, I use it as a canvas for my paintings or even to decorate some of my stuff. So if one person can start, so can you all. Start with small. Start with anything, but start. And please do remember, you all have the power to change this. Your voice, your choices do matter and hold way much more power than you think. And all it takes is starting today. Thank you.